Logging into LinkedIn with your email and password is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and go to the LinkedIn homepage. Next, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. In the login form, enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account. Then, type in your password. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Click the Sign In button to proceed. If you've entered your credentials correctly, you'll be logged into LinkedIn. Now you can start building your professional network, updating your profile, and exploring job opportunities. If you ever forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. LinkedIn will guide you through the steps to reset it. And that's it. You're now logged into LinkedIn. Remember to always use a secure connection when logging in, and never share your password with anyone. Happy networking!
Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.